Okay, and next task is that I have to take this thermostat away, and here we have this thermostat, and for that opening I need now 10mm socket, and let's open this thermostat and we can go to look even closer. There is this my thermostat in here, and I open these two bolts. This is first one, and there is that size of bolt, and then I open second bolt, and it is similar. They are in here, and then when I a little bit move that, there is thermostat cover housing. There is this thermostat, and when we have sharp knife, we can carefully pull out this thermostat. And note also that this small dot, it is always in up, and in here side area we can see this temperature level, but this opening happens so that I little bit carefully I bend this thermostat, maybe in this side area. There is this gasket in here, and there is side and a little bit bending in here, and now thermostat opens, and there is this thermostat and look gasket, and when we little bit look in this inner area, there is this temperature meter, and there's 82 Celsius is this right. And purchase original thermostat, it is always the best, and look that how nice gasket there is. And this was really thermostat removal.